Welcome. My name is Alankrita Sarkar. I'm the research coordinator from Delta Metropolis Association and a PhD researcher at TU Delft. And today I'm pleased to present the case of Border Park of Saftinge. When we think of ports, we often associate them with port cities and urban territories. However, this case concerns a border park between the Netherlands and Belgium, located opposite to the city of Antwerp and on the left bank of port of Antwerp-Bruges. At the border between the provinces of Flanders and Zeeland lies an unique area encompassing 18,000 hectares and home to approximately 27,000 residents, which overlaps between the vast landscape of agricultural fields, port activities, dikes and fertile polders, small villages and towns, and 36 kilometers square of brackish water wilderness along the Schelde. This is where the land meets water. Fresh water meets salt water and sand meets clay. The result is a vast and productive agricultural landscape, making this a strategic and economically attractive location not only for the second largest port of Europe, which is Antwerp-Bruges, but also smaller regional ports. At the same time, the area is treated as a peripheral zone of the Netherlands, evidenced by the location of the nuclear power plant at Doel. The 2010 depoldering decisions for Hedwige Polder and Prosper Polder were part of a bilateral package between the Netherlands and Belgium. These measures aimed to enhance flood safety, port accessibility, and the ecological quality of the Schelde estuary. Amidst these developments, the local residents began to feel a growing disconnection from the water. In response to which of these intersecting dynamics and competing spatial agendas, the Grenspark Growth Saftinge Partnership was formed in 2021. It brings together the municipalities, provinces, and nature organizations from both the countries to collaborate and develop a long-term vision for the region. As part of the Interreg project, this region brings together the formal stakeholders from the partnership as well as the local citizen groups known as stakeholders, who are engaged, place-based regional actors. Several focus groups have been initiated with the aim to educate people on the unique tidal landscape. It is a large experiment at this transnational regional scale with the partners and stakeholders. So, in search of shared regional identity of the border region, the citizens came together and actively participated in the decision-making processes. This case raises an important question on how formal stakeholders and stakeholders co-design spatial planning decisions in this contested landscape with their own values and agendas. And through various research and approaches, we are learning to appreciate values across different sectors, themes, timelines, from the past to the future, and generation of living knowledge.